cool sign. Check that out. Oh, man, they got my name wrong.
And presto, the doors open for you. I now present to you Tannelator Von's private office.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I carefully scrutinize
each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy let's you this guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. Ouch! Ow! That was not part of the plan. What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan.
That's what I always say. Never goes wrong.
I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
Okay, raise your hands for clearance. Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
My dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
Clearance, let's roll. Okay, guys hit this hard. Too high, too high! Is that Disneyland? If I push this yes, run! You got my walk there. Yeah.
Hey guys, ready to go?
Yes, our ride's here.
Thanks, everybody. See ya. We are out of here. Thanks, guys.
Why are you thinking them? They barely stopped there. They did nothing. We did all the fighting. They did not help us at all. You should be thanking me. Thanks, right?